Assalamualaikum Zahira.
Waalaikumsalam, Kak.
Okay, Zahira. So you were selected to speak with me today because you meet my research criteria as a research subject, and my research aims to find out how you respond to the implementation process of several learning activities implemented by Miss Pipi during tree meeting last week.
Okay.
Okay, in this interview, I have several questions, and you may answer the question by using the language you feel comfortable with. You can use full English, mixed English and Indonesian, or full Indonesian.
Okay.
Can we start the interview?
Yes.
Okay, so the first question, based on your participation in 3 Miss PP English Learning Class meeting last week, what material topic have you studied?
Kalau nggak salah, to make descriptive paragraph, Kak.
Okay, how did you feel after attending in 3 Miss PP English Learning Class meeting last week?
Actually, I like Mr. Vivi is if she teach English in my class.
Why?
Because if Mr. Vivi teach English, not only explain but also explain how to do.
I understand. So you mean Miss Pipi teach English by explaining and practicing?
Yes.
Okay, now I will ask you about several activity in 3 Miss Pipi English class meeting last week. If you don't understand, please don't be shy for asking me to explain more.
Okay, Kak.
Okay, first activity. At 3 meeting last week, there was an activity that divided the paragraph topic into several parts by creating keyword related to the paragraph topic, right?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think about that activity? Kayak gimana sih menurut kamu tentang kegiatan itu?
I think this activity is nice to happen.
Okay, nice to apply ya. Why?
Because this activity is basic and simple, only divide something into several parts. So from me, it is nice to apply or to do.
Okay, I got it. So, okay, the next activity, searching and determining pattern for each keyword.
Can you explain me more? Saya kurang masuk, Kak.
Okay, I explain in bahasa ya. Jadi minggu lalu kalian diarahkan Miss Pipi untuk mencari, menentukan, dan juga menyusun pola atau informasi yang berhubungan dengan setiap keyword atau kata kunci yang udah dibagi sebelumnya. Dan setelah itu dituangkan dalam kalimat untuk nantinya dimasukkan sebagai supporting sentence dalam paragraf kalian.
Oh, yang itu saya tahu, Kak.
Okay, good. So what do you think about these activities?
Well, it's so fun for me.
Why?
Can I explain my reason by Indonesian language, Kak?
Yes, sure.
Menurut saya, kegiatan itu bisa membuat kita berpikir untuk nentuin arah paragraf kita, dan ini asik banget, Kak.
Oh ya?
Iya benar, Kak, sumpah.
Okay, I got it. So, okay, we jump to the next activity. The activity are removing and replacing repetitive word or sentence that are unnecessary or unrelated to the topic of the paragraph before the sentence are combined into paragraph. Jadi, apa ya? Kegiatan utamanya itu menggabungkan beberapa kalimat dari masing-masing pola menjadi satu kalimat. Nah, dalam proses itu, kata berulang akan dihapus untuk menghindari pemborosan kata yang dapat mempersulit pemahaman orang yang membaca kalimat.
Oke. Saya tahu kegiatan itu, Kak.
Okay, good. So, what do you think about these activities, Zahira?
I feel dizzy when I do this activity.
Why did you feel dizzy?
Because confused to remove the word. Kayak menurut saya semua katanya itu berkaitan dan penting lah, Kak.
Tapi kamu udah coba untuk minta jelasin sama Miss Vivi?
Belum sih, Kak, saya malu. Waktu Miss Vivi jelasin saya paham pas praktek sama-sama. Saya juga paham, tapi nggak tahu waktu ngerjain tugas individunya. Saya bingung sendiri, Kak.
I see. Jangan malu Zahira untuk bertanya ke Miss Vivi ya. Miss Vivi tuh pasti seneng kalau misalnya kamu bertanya. Gitu.
Iya deh, nanti saya coba datang ke rumah beliau.
Nah, boleh itu. Okay, now we jump to the last activities. Applying, composing, and organizing descriptive paragraph by inserting topic point based on a paragraph structure that have been arranged with keyword and pattern sequentially. There are 3 sequence: inserting main sentence, supporting sentence, and the last one is conclusion sentence. Do you still remember it?
Ini yang nyusun kalimat-kalimatnya ya jadi satu paragraf, kan, Kak? Ya, saya ingat.
Okay, so what do you think about these activities?
I like this one.
Oh yeah, why, Zahira?
Yeah, because I just put and move
Mm-mm.
the sentence to be one paragraph.
Mm-mm.
Kan kalimatnya udah dibuat semua sebelumnya.
Mm-mm.
Jadi pas ini tinggal disusun secara berurutan aja.
Okay, so you mean the activity is easy for you?
Oh jelas Kak, I like this activity because it is very very easy.
Okay, I got it. Now the last question before I close the interview. After following all this step, what do you think about the process of creating descriptive paragraph using Miss Pipi method?
The method is good because it
Mm-mm.
can help me in making paragraph. Tapi masalahnya
Mm-mm.
saya hanya satu itu aja sih Kak. Saya
Apa?
masih bingung di bagian yang hapus kata berulang itu Kak.
Ah, yes, I think you must come to Miss Pipi for asking more explanation about it.
Iya Kak, nanti saya mau datang ke rumah beliau.
Okay, Zahira. I think enough for the interview today. Good luck in your activity and thank you, Zahira.
You're welcome Kak.
Okay, thank you.